Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today I'm taking you guys on a day in the life with me and I'm going to be doing some decorating. Not really too much going on, majority of the decorating. I am on Thanksgiving break, so I am out for an entire week. So I have the time to go through my entire house and decorate, finish up all my decorating, hopefully before Thanksgiving, and get some videos up for you guys. And so I just wanted to do some filming today, and yes, it is in real time, so sorry the video is running late, but I hope that you guys enjoy the video and I hope that you guys are inspired by the decorating that you will see today as well. Hey fams, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, today, it's after 1 right now. I've been meaning to film since this morning and just so much happened that I couldn't. So now I'm hoping that I can film and get this video up for you guys. But we're gonna do a little bit of decorating, a little bit of day in the life today. I also wanna get my closet right here organized. I'm going to take all the holiday stuff out and I'm going to be shifting my clothes and shoes into this particular closet because all the holiday stuff, I'm just gonna put it in the garage because I need storage space. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me on that. And I also wanna decorate the staircase, the garland on the staircase. I want to put up some stockings on the TV console area. I think there's something else that I wanted to do. So I will definitely, in the dining room. I wanted to do something with the dining room. So let's go ahead and get into this day in the life vlog. So I'm just cleaning down my console table and getting ready to decorate it. I wanted to put like a garland there, but then it didn't make sense because it would block like the little sensor that is underneath the television, and so I didn't want to do anything to block that. Plus I just wanted to be practical and simple. I didn't want to take away from the tree itself, which nothing can really take away from this tree. It's absolutely gorgeous, this King of Christmas tree. Without decorations on it, the tree itself is stunning, but I didn't want to distract, from it. So I just wanted to do something simple. And I was so happy that my stockings were in the totes, you guys, because I wanted to put some stockings. I miss my fireplace dearly this year. It feels so weird to not decorate a fireplace. I've been decorating a fireplace for 6 years, so it feels so weird. But I love the way that this turned out. It was simple, it's cute, stockings for my kids, and we can still keep our traditions going and our night before Christmas traditions going, to where they go through their stockings and grab themselves whatever, they got in there. So I'm just so happy that that turned out the way that it did. And now I am in the dining room and I've been wanting to hang these sconces since I found them in my tote. And unfortunately, I didn't want to put any holes in the walls. So I'm using command strip. Now, eventually I did have to put a nail in the wall because it fell down. And yes, the frustration was immense. So I did the best that I could, and I didn't have a mantle. I didn't have my shelf. So I was like, what's a way that I can recreate the shelving unit that I did in New York in my dining room and recreate that same kind of a look here? So I just added some garlands and some different decorations and ribbons and things like that, and I love the way that it turned out. So you're gonna see me here just adding some things and kind of just doing the best that I can with this area. Eventually, what I want to do, y'all know the chairs that I want to get, the benches that I want to get, and I also want to add like a console table with a mirror and a vase and a lamp and all that. But until then, this is going to have to work. So I'm asking Calebese to help me out because I really can't tell whether everything is centered or not until I step back. So she's helping me out to center everything, and y'all, it turned out so beautiful, and I'm just in love with this area.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
So I totally forgot that I had this tree, you guys. And so now I'm just going to put it together and put it in the corner. Y'all, this tree is ridiculous. It is a beautiful tree. I had no idea it was that big. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love the way that it looks in the dining room. It just makes it look so complete and so festive. I just really love it so much. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Oh my gosh, isn't it gorgeous? It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And the table, the everything, oh, my Christmas heart is so happy. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that it was a little inspiring for you guys. I know it wasn't a lot, but I got a lot done in it, and I'm closer to completion of decorating my home for Christmas. I love the way that it looks. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. And yeah, remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too, and that He is the reason for the season. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and thank y'all so much for being patient for this video today. Bye, guys.
Shine all like a fresh cut tree. I fall for your light. On this Christmas night, all the angels are singing. On this Christmas night, they are singing for you and me. Christmas is mine.